of money.
Can we just keep? I don't like that guy, so I don't like talking about him.
You don't like him? Why?
I don't know. It's not just my cup of tea. I don't like him. I don't know. I would rather contribute to other NGOs. I just don't like him as a person.
So that means the money he's trying to raise online, you didn't contribute anything for him. You didn't contribute for him.
Like I give to the needy. I give to people, but through him, I don't know. There are other NGOs that you can contribute, but I just don't like him as a person. So for a guy, he talks too much. He doesn't have to have an opinion on everything. So
if VDM were to be here, you just walk past him.
What?
I mean, his almighty Ratel gang are listening to you.
Why would I want to talk to him? Like, he's not Davido.
Okay, what do you do for a living?
Odogu wife.
I'm not surprised. It is always this type of girls. Can you imagine? What do you do for a living? Odogu wife. So you cannot like very dark man when you're an Odogu wife. Sleeping with different women husband. That's what you do. Who even wants you to send money to my NGO? Money where you get through harder. So that things become the hard for my NGO. Money where you get through the post saliva inside your toto. And that money you won't take send down. Then my NGO money can't get small saliva on top. Instead, said, I'm even supposed to contribute money for you, may treat your infection. Where you don't get from sleeping with plenty people husband. What do you do for a living, Odogu wife? Are you not even ashamed of yourself? Of course, you will not like very dark man now. He talks against hookup girls, talks against BBL, talks against people that sell bleaching cream, he talks against scammers, talks against all these fraudsters online, people that take advantage of others. Why would you like me? You would not like me. I'm not supporting the nonsense that you people do. So you're not going to ever like me. I contribute money to the needy. You need more than the needy. You need sense. You need sense. You need to actually go to school. You need to actually go to school. It takes too much for a man. Where they don't ever write and say, man, who will they talk? Very momo lady. I will contribute now. Send your account number. May they treat your infection. Odogu wife. So if you have a younger brother that is watching you or younger sister that is looking up to you and they ask you what you do in public, you tell them Odogu wife. Is that even a thing? Nigerian women wey don't marry, now this kind of girls they sleep with your husband. And then they said, you should husband. I say, are you okay? You're okay. I want never know the inside. Let's take hook up now. A lot of these girls will never talk again. Take hook up, take all these married men that sweet. A lot of all these girls are not going to talk again. What do you do for a living, Odogu wife? Come on. You even get mine, they call my Ratel gang members. We go give you come for head. Go give you come for head. See if you see very dark man, a bank gonga sister. See I did. Harder. Another kind of money you won't give me. Never hey, wait, you not call my name again. See ahead. I beg only responsible money now with the fine. Understand? I already see if you check the people who don't send money come to NGO, check them now. Everybody they bring the one with now responsible girls. 100 naira, 150, 200, 2000, 5000. You know, people where they work hard for their money. No be you. You get say I don't know your hand too. A bank gonga sister. Harder. You gonna learn. And you will learn the hard way. Don't play.
Well, in life, you don't expect everybody to like you. You don't expect everybody to like you. If everybody in this world like you, you have a big problem. So many will dislike you, many will like you. Even if you are doing good thing, many people will dislike you. That is fact. So a very dark black man, whether she likes you or not, whether she contributes or not, the millions in that your NGO doesn't know that this person did not contribute. So it doesn't mean anything. It doesn't remove anything from what you are doing. So keep on doing what you are doing. As you said, the lazy ones are the ones that will dislike you. You know, she says she's Odogu wife. Odogu will go and get money for her, and she's at home being Odogu wife and disliking people. Anyway, my people, thanks for watching this video. It's good. Very dark black man has given her the way she deserves. Thanks for watching this video. This is very funny.